Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing part 9 for May 2024 for D&D Proxy, Warhammer Proxy as well, and figures. If you do enjoy it, please let me know, subscribe, like, and share. And check out our Patreon Discord down below. All the description will be looking at, down as well. This will be the last one for May. So let's get through a lot of them. Because we have a lot to get through. So we have Void Realm Minis. This is like kind of a Cthulhian type or Spelljammer type of figures. If you're interested in that, they're just really weird and sometimes they can be grotesque looking as well. So if you're into that, this might be it for you guys. Let me see if I kind of hold. That's April one, man. Having that in your game. I can't see the whole May, so main models drop. Hopefully this is not just it. Why we just this? Wow. Used to have a lot more. Monstrous Encounter. It was yesterday. Download. Okay. They do a lot of stuff, so I'm guessing of an assassin. That's part of this. Yeah, these looks like old school AD&D miniatures. Letting you guys know. Next one is Koishinoko Miniature. They do a lot of like war types of proxies for theirs. It looks like they have a Kickstarter for it, but here's May. So we have, looks like, you might be able to use this as one of your war game, I believe, but they have their own style of war game, Chinese NRA Army. So yeah. Velrage Studio. This is the Star Wars one. This is a Wookiee on top of uh, Malaya as well. They do a lot of Star Wars model update. We got Geobug Armored Elites, a Jedi. We have another Jedi in here as well. If you do Star Wars, this might be it. Because I know there's Star Wars wargaming as well. Just I want to get into it. Just I don't have that much money. Zangief, Changli, Prey STL collection. We have one of the lady girl from Gargoyle TV series, and I forgot what that's from. Spider Miles Morales in the 15th. So yeah, so Gargoyle for it. Xanax 3D. It's kind of very hard for me just to get through. I know they did Dune, May bonus, Soap, Wolverine, and Deadpool Wolverine. Well, I can't see what they're saying. So Darkfire Design. This is another Star Wars. This is mostly from the Clone War. Qui-Gon Jinn and your droids. So yeah, that is a release for it. It'll be cool if that can actually retract and take out and for the army as well. But I don't know for a fact if they do that. We got the droids. Oh yeah, they do close. So yeah, that's cool. Tiger Skull RPG. And this is the May one right here at night. It's your Hog Goblins collection. That was April. For Lotus. Looks like there's a whole list of them. I can't see. Alexei Konev. If they're all blocked out, it's not really point of me looking at them anymore. Kill 10 figures. Oh, they got that ghoul out from Fallout. I don't know why a lot of girls think he's hot. But there you go. If you want one to print for yourself, I think that's for May. And there's one more for May over there. And you get the April release as well. One piece gold. One gold piece. I think it costs like $1. And you get everything in here for it. I haven't seen anything much for May. But I think these dwarves are going to be the one that's going to be part of it. Will Sustin. I think this is Gnome for Blood Bowl. An old gnome. I think this is for a while. It's February. Yeah. Stefanova Sculpt, another figure. Melina, I believe that's how you say it, for your figures. I think that'll be it for this month for that. They're gone. 3D print tabletop. If it loads. Okay, they looks like they do D&D stuff. Nothing. Ooh. Magori miniatures. This is what happens when you don't look at these stuff for a very long time. So April, May 1st. They got something, but I'm thinking it'll be these guys. They're usually, people a lot of times change this monthly to see what's up, what's coming for it as well. Cult of Pickle. Another figure, August 2021. Yep, you're basically no more. You're no more. Waladze Studio. They do a lot. They do figure. That's Borderland. I don't know what's going to be for May. You know, it's one of those things like if you want people to buy your shit, well, a lot of people are just gone. Skyler 3D Studio. Wow. A lot of them are just Don't want to. Dragon Collector. We got Batman, the old Batman, old man Dark Father. I think that might be Timothy Wayne for Batman for the sculpt. Oh yeah. Invictus Miniature. This is their version of what you call it, Epic, but I think this is more towards. Let's see here. What do you call it? Cyber. It's like like cyber things, like cyberpunk style. As you can see, some of the old ones what it looks like, but I don't know why. I just don't like it when they do this shit. Greg Korokos. Looks like Warhammer. Looks like D&D. I don't think he has been doing anything for the past year. They're gone. Stark's Foundry. Oh, May 30th. Frontier Ranger. If you need some army for Imperials, this might be a good supplement for you. Almost done looking through a lot of them. Well, he's gone. The Surreal Factory. May 9th. Craig. Xeno Sleeping. So it'll be Xeno Sleeping, I guess, for May. But I'd like to see the Sleeping Xeno. Raw 3D STL print. Next March 2023. Keth Hula Hula STL collection. This is from last year. Holy crap. STL Youngblood. I think they do ships, but nope, they're gone. They're 2016. Shit. Dark Galaxy, The Void. Fuck, 2021. Wow. A lot of these people are gone too. Z Sculptors. 2020. Angelos. Lord Zelchi. I think I already looked this up. It's just that there's nothing for May so far on that. Little Daddy. Chala. Chahe. Update on that. Left Moch Studio. They're supposed to have one out. They probably want to have out till the end of the month. We already did the. I picked this looking one. I think that one's a lot better. For that, Roll Down Studio, Gojo. Yeah, Gojo, Gogeta, GT Roger. I'm gonna get Gojo for Ashley, my wife. She likes Jujutsu Kaisen. I don't. We already looked at Armory ones as well. Mad Figures. 3G 3D prints. Nothing came out of that. And miniature god miniatures. This is probably looked at it. This is going to be your chaos faction proxy, and the evil one. This is going to be probably your chaos and your imperial faction proxy for it. You have to look through it. Hardcore miniatures. I think we have goblins and orcs, Gretchens for your game. For your, I think probably for your 40k. Well, anyhow, that'll be it for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the May throughout this whole. I know the last tours the crap. You know, I didn't have time because I just started school. So, anyhow, I'll talk to you guys next time. I hope you guys have a great day and subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon, Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.